floods, droughts, and sea level rise. These news items yell at us daily that climate change needs urgent action. But what action? If I stop driving and become vegan, will that solve climate change? Probably not. What's needed for action is a roadmap. A roadmap gives the destination and a route from here to there. It may not be the precise route we take, but the confidence it gives gets us started. A roadmap also helps us find shortcuts and fast roads so we get there sooner. What is the roadmap for restoring a healthy climate? The fact that we don't have one explains why we see more anger and hesitation rather than concerted action. One reason we don't have a roadmap is that we've been trying to activate society through increasing fear, and a roadmap reduces rather than increases fear. Set the fear aside and listen to the climate roadmap. We continue our 10 years of exponential growth of wind and solar 6 more years, until we're building enough new renewable capacity each year so that new oil and gas wells are no longer needed. Then we continue building renewables at that rate until fossil fuel energy has been replaced. It's that simple, and we're already a quarter of the way there. More than half of new electrical capacity installed each year is now from renewables, globally as well as in the US and China. New wind and solar have been doubling every 2 years for 10 years. That's 5 doublings. After just 3 more doublings, by 2020, we'll be producing enough new renewable energy capacity each year so that we won't need new oil and gas wells. To complete the switch over from fossil fuel to renewables at that replacement rate takes 25 years, as old oil and gas wells run out. A carbon tax will make that switchover happen faster and with more certainty. Other sources such as nuclear and geothermal will contribute in many places, but most of the global growth will continue to be wind and solar. The cost of creating new oil and gas production, now $1 trillion per year and increasing, is the same as the cost to install that same amount of new renewable energy capacity from wind and solar. Having a carbon tax will make a renewable energy future compelling to investors, having them switch from fossil fuel investments to renewables quickly and with confidence. We're 10 years down the road to resolving climate change already. How quickly we get there is up to us. Join your local Citizens Climate Lobby group and ensure that a carbon tax happens in the next year.